Hey viewers, A to Z Customs here. Today I'm going to be changing the front brake pads on my Ford Ranger. This is a 1994 4.0. I've changed them before on this vehicle. They're not too hard to do. They're a little weird because instead of having bolts, these calipers have guide pins. But besides that, it's pretty quick to do in general. When you're changing your brake pads, it's a really good time to change your rotors as well, especially if whenever you're braking, the steering wheel might be shaking or something like that. Then you probably got some warped brake rotors as well. On this vehicle, they shouldn't be bad because I'm quite sure I changed the rotors the last time I changed the brake pads, but we'll take a look and find out. So first thing I'm going to do obviously is loosen the bolts on this wheel. I've got a jack here and I've got a jack stand, and I'm also going to head over here to my brake fluid and just pop off the lid. And what that'll do is you'll soon see when I'm pressing in the brake caliper, it'll be able to relieve the pressure over here and the liquid will come up. Alright, something else you want to do while you're over here, check out your rotors. Run your finger along them. If you got a lot of bumps or so in them, they may very well at least need to be rotated. Basically what an auto shop will do, you can take it like an O'Reilly's or something like that. They do these too. They basically just shave a little bit off the rotors to get a flat surface once again. Take a look at your brake line. Make sure that there's no cuts in it. Make sure, there's not a lot of hairline cracks. If there is, it's the best time to go ahead and replace it before it actually cracks open and you have a big brake leak. You have a clip right here and you have a clip down here. And what I like to do is I just have a really big flathead screwdriver and a hammer, and I will basically spritz it with PB Blaster a little bit, and then I'll beat the crap out of it, and the clip will actually be sent back. There's your first clip. There we are. Second clip. And as you can see, once you got the clips out, comes right out. Now preferably you got somewhere to hang this. And be careful to watch where the clips are on the brake pads, because they have clips on them. And as you can tell, these brakes are ready to go. Okay, so now we are done pressing in the caliper. We can go ahead and put in the new brake pads. As you can see here with these Ford Ranger, it has a spacer right here, clip already mounted to it, and a spacer right here. So we are going to do these. And there you go. Make sure that the spacer on both sides is in the tabs here. And this is on flush. And then here's the back caliper. It did not come, so you can see here, it didn't come with this metal clip. So I'm gonna have to take that off and pop it on here. And this is gonna go on like this. And it's gonna go onto, you're gonna mount it directly on the rotor, not onto the brake caliper. Okay, so as you can see, I got the caliper back on. And now I'm ready to throw back in these clips. Looks like I pressed this too far in. Oops. There we go. That should be good. Just get them started. Get both of these started. So that's far enough. And let's get the bottom one started. Remember, the shorter one is the bottom one. Alright, so now you got them in, you got them started, everything's looking good. Don't pump these bad boys in. And you want to press them all the way back in until these clips, they have a bump. See right here, you got a ridge. You want to press them all the way in. There it is. All right, that's locked. And that's locked. And that's how you do your calipers. So that's how you do your brake pads on a 1994 Ford Ranger 4.0. Like I said, I wasn't switching the rotors on this one, but if they were damaged, I would have these removed. Actually, I believe you can't even turn these rotors. You might be able to, but I believe you can't. So anyways, that's how you change your brake pads. And then do not seal this until you are completely done with both sides, but don't forget to reseal it. As you can see here, it's looking pretty, it looks low to me, so I might have to take a look at that. Honestly, I should probably change the brake fluid on this truck as well. But for now, I'm not going to. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to A to Z Customs. Y'all have a good one.